guys, and welcome to this super special video of my current favorite hair care brand. It does not mean that all the products of this hair care brand are great. I will let you know which ones are. But it does mean that there are some star products and I had to share those with you. So I literally fell for the shampoo of this brand. Or maybe I'm jumping the gun here. Let's rewind. I am today talking about OLAPLEX products. Now I am going to limit myself to only 4 products from this brand because those are the ones that I have had 1 month of full-on testing. But if there is any other product that you want me to review or the whole line, I'm happy to do so, but just let me know in the comment section down below and I will surely get that testing in too. For now, I am limiting myself to the number 0, which is intensive bond building hair treatment, and the number 3, which is the hair perfector. I will also be reviewing obviously the number 4, which is the shampoo, the bond maintenance shampoo, and the number 5, which is bond maintenance conditioner. Now all 4 of them have the patented bond building technology that OLAPLEX boasts of, even though we know of the numerous lawsuits against it. I am not going to get into that. I am also not going to get into the patented active ingredient which is in all 4 of these products, mainly because of one major or maybe 2 major reasons. Firstly, I cannot pronounce this here, and also because I am not a chemist, so I would not be able to decipher the active ingredient very well for you guys. So we'll keep it to what I know of, which is testing of the product. Now the past 1 month that I have been putting into testing, I have washed my hair almost 3 times a week because that is how my hair is. But I haven't necessarily used all the 4 products in each wash. I do obviously use the shampoo and the conditioner every time I have a hair wash, but the bond building treatment and the hair perfector are used almost once a week. So that would be 4 times over the course of the last 1 month that I have put into testing. I will be going over how I actually use each of these products, and simultaneously I will provide my review of what's good about it, what's bad, and how to really use it. So firstly, I would always start with number 0 and try and drench my hair with the number 0 as much as I can, or saturate the lengths as well as the scalp as much as I can. But the problem with this is it starts to run off and does not really soak in your hair. So you have to be really careful with this one. Maybe just pour it in a petri dish and then try and soak your hair with it, else you will be losing a lot of the product. You will need a larger quantity of this as compared to the other products of the line, mainly because it's a very liquidy texture, so you would need a lot to go over the length, and especially my hair length, which is pretty long. It does have a very pungent smell. I cannot explain what it is, but it's pretty bad. So after putting this on, I normally wait for about 10 minutes and then I check my hair if they're starting to dry out. I would use a water spray and start to add in a little bit more moisture because I'm gonna go in with my hair perfector, which is number 3. Now let's be clear, I do not think the number 0 has much of an effect on my hair with or without the hair perfector. So in terms of effectiveness, this one is a true fail for me. I understand the bond building treatment is supposed to have the highest concentration of the patented active ingredient, yet for some reason this one shows absolutely no visible result on my hair, and it is the most difficult to apply to. Now coming to the hair perfector, I do believe this one has a lot going on for it. It only comes in the smallest size, which is this 100 ml bottle. So I do need a lot, especially for the length of my hair, and I do start to use a little bit extra of it, but this thing really works. I have actually tested this. I did keep the hair perfector in my regime, but I left the other products the same as I would do any other day for a hair wash, and I have noticed visible results. My hair has seemed a bit more softer, there is less frizz, and they are shinier. Especially for the visible aspects of this, I do think this one is something that you should probably try out. I would actually call this one of the stars of this brand, and probably why the company has really just kept the size the same and they don't really sell any larger bottles. So after the number 0, I would use number 3 to specially saturate the ends of my hair and leave it on for about an hour or so. I know the brand suggests leaving it on for 10 minutes to a minimum, but I do notice better results with 1 hour of just saturated number 3. If your hair does start to feel like it's drying out, maybe use the number 0 and just add in that little extra moisture to it. If that does not help, and this probably would not, you can also use a water spray and start to put back that moisture which it needs for the active ingredient to work. Next, when my hair is nice and set, I would run a bath and use the shampoo, which is number 4, and the number 5, which is the bond maintenance conditioner. Out of these two, the conditioner does not really do much for my hair, but the shampoo is the real star. If you notice, this is a full bottle, and that's only because I have run out of 1 complete bottle here. Now be mindful, for the shampoo you just need a dime-sized amount. I know a lot of companies say that, but for this one it is the truth. I would also suggest very little quantity for the long length of my hair. I know this is clean beauty, it is free of sulfates, parabens, yet it does lather. So just use that dime-sized amount, run it a little bit under water and see it lather, and it does. It does truly clean your hair without the actual drying effect, in the sense that the moment you step out of the shower, sometimes you do feel your strands starting to dry out. That doesn't happen with this shampoo. You wouldn't start to notice that on the first few washes, but after a couple of washes, as you are almost by the mid of this bottle, you will start to notice that moisturized, soft, healthier hair. I do follow up my shampoo, which is the number 4, with the number 5 conditioner. And oh wait, this one has to be kept upside down. If you notice, I've already run out of most of it, but not as much as the shampoo, probably because I'm not a fan here. But don't forget to put it upside down, otherwise you'll spend 10 minutes like me in the shower trying to get this stuff out of this, or just finding ways to get this thing out. So this is all that I have been doing for a month, and it has truly transformed my hair, especially for the shampoo. I do feel that my tresses are now much more manageable, they look beautiful, and they are much stronger too. I have noticed an absolute difference in how my hair has become more manageable. It looks much better and it is also stronger. But I would give all of that credit especially to the number 3, which is the hair perfector, and the number 4, which is the shampoo. This combination does it for me. Now this is all for my review of the OLAPLEX products. If you do like this video, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in my next video, but until then, you take care, love yourself and stay stunning. Bye.